but still, what are your hopes, expectations for during the COVID-19 crisis and after? What will happen to the clinical research world, let's say, in the next couple of months, in the next year, maybe 5 years?
Well, I think that, again, we are going to challenge the current status quo, and the digital tools are here to stay. This is the present, it's not the future, it's not the short term. We are having wearables, we are having iPhones that we receive data and information without requesting it.
Yeah.
So I think that all that should help to empower the patient, not to control the patient. I mean, there are many digital tools that are not here in order us to control the patients. I think this digital tool should allow the patients to have more power, to empower in the clinical trials, and giving us how they feel, how they evolve with the new drugs, and for the site staff being closer to the patient. So I think this is an inflection point for me in the society, in the regulators, in the pharma industry. Now all the pharma have put together in order to add and in order to do a huge effort to gain the battle versus COVID. But I think that after that, the whole pharma to accelerate and all the initiatives, the FDA, EMA, should sit together to make this process more efficient, to empower the patients and to be more efficient, and more efficient to obtain the time that the site staff is devoting to the patients, to the clinical research. Obviously, the site staff need to devote time to patients, but also with telemedicine, they could optimize their time, and they could have more. They for sure will have more time to devote to trials. That also using digital tools, they will do more with less time. More quality aspects with less time. And I think this is my vision. This is going to be an inflection point in the drug development for sure. But be careful, because we need to be aware that patient is at the center of our trials, and it's not we telling them what to do. They should tell us how they feel, what they, this is my
it's more
my
like a
thinking right now.
partnership. Yes, it's more like a partnership. Maybe not anyone tell the other person, but sit together and see what's consistent, what's possible, what's realistic, and more comfortable to both patients, not both patients and industry, but also the hospital sites, investigators. So we are all in this game together. So we need to find a way to work better together. And I loved what you said, that technology is more, it's not replacing people, it's more empowering people to do more with less time or less efforts. So I love the way you look at technology, and I hope that we're now all convinced of the power of technology in this regard, and we will just utilize it better. Thank you for that, Estrella.
Fully agree, Maya. Thank you very much for your time.